Sounds of life, Raag Suhee Kafi. Caring, nurturing the vulnerable times we live in so that life continues to flow. It is a discrete process of simple actions, born from a deep love that embraces reality unconditionally. Taking a moment to breathe in the middle of a stressful day is just the tip of the iceberg of a huge potential for care, repair and protection that we can open up for ourselves and others. What do you do to take care of your wounds? How do you take care of those fragile areas within you? Suhee Kafi encourages us to strengthen this connection in ourselves by creating friendly spaces where we can renew our strength and transform ourselves from love.